So in this quick tutorial I'll show you how you can easily add a caption on your cover photo Facebook. This is my Facebook profile and I want to change my cover photo. Press on cover photo and press on upload photo, and then you have to select your photo. It's already uploaded and you can drag and drop ups and down. You can customize the location, and suppose I want to set like that, and you can only see the shape changes. There is no any option to edit or add caption. So the new Facebook update is you need to upload or update your caption after update your Facebook cover photo. So I am upload my cover photo now. Save changes, press on, and now it's already updated. And reload your Facebook, you see this one, and now press on this three dot icon and press on edit, and you can add caption here. To add this caption and press on finish editing, and it's already added. Now reload your Facebook again, and you see the caption is already added. This is how you can easily add your caption on your Facebook cover photo. Okay guys, hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching, and if you like, please thumbs up, like, and do subscribe. Thank you.